Hello traders. Hello traders, welcome to the live stream. I took the long trade. No, I did not take because I was a bit occupied. Yes, sir. The trip was safe. I had to wait in the queue for more than 5.5 hours, 6 hours. I'm good, sir. How are you? Ashok Kumar, sir. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the live stream. Now, before we start, I had discussed about one update in the private Telegram group. I mean, crypto Telegram group. In that, I had discussed about this setup, right? My expectation is market can move towards the upside, give a breakout at this area. From here, it can start falling. And also, I had informed here market is forming a M pattern. Many people would have thought about entering a bearish trade, but to trap them, market can give a breakout. Now, if you see uh, what has happened, market right now, this M pattern, I'll change the color. This M pattern, what was there? Many people would have entered considering this as resistance. To trap them, market gave a momentum. That's why at this breakout, if you had planned for a trade, as of now, it's a decent momentum towards the upside, right? So this one, if anyone has taken close to 300, 370 points, would have been able to capture. And from here, there's a possibility of continuation also. But whoever has taken the trade, please take this into consideration. This area was acting as support, right? Once this level is broken, this is acting as resistance. US market would have opened right now. Yes, we understand that. But this is the resistance. But from here, expectation is market can move towards the upside, remove these people. Maybe it can give a breakout also from where it can correct. That possibility is there, but this candle closing is very important, so please factor that also, right? So as of now, it is going nicely towards the upside, but I feel this area can act as resistance. If not, if it continues, good. Market is trying to remove all the people on the top. After removing them, maybe giving a breakout or something as such, it can correct. That reversal opportunity is something that we can look at, right? Now, how many of you looking at the uh, update what I shared in the group here? You plan for a trade? This setup, right? This setup is what we expected. That is what has happened in the market also. By chance, anyone has taken early entry around 800 points movement. Now, I feel this is can be a kind of resistance area. Why I say this is a resistance area? First thing is this, right? This zone. Later, this trend line you can see resistance, resistance. Finally, market has broken this. When it gives a breakout, people focus from maybe from bearish it can turn to bullish. So from here, market can correct again. Later, if it gives a breakout, one more opportunity towards the upside to remove all these people and then breakout from breakout reversal. That chance is there. So please take that also into consideration. Already took the long trade. Okay, cool. After the update that I shared in the group, is it? Rohit Reddy sir, hello. Ibnesh sir, hello. Welcome to the live stream. Now, since I was occupied with something else, I did not plan for this trade. But anyways, since I was uh, I did not give any update in the last 2 days, 3 days in the group, right? Because I was very occupied in traveling and things like that. So I thought before the market opens, this can be an opportunity. That is why I had already discussed about that in this group, right? Around 7 o'clock, 7:05, I gave this update. Good if you have made use of this. So for you, the best thing that you can do now is, you would have entered at the right place. Even if you keep it cost to cost, no problem for you. So in case this momentum happens here, this breakout, from here, if it corrects, you would have been able to capture a very big move. But at all these levels also, you see that maximum you try to trail your stop loss. All okay. Mani sir, hello. Bharat, hello sir. Now this move, what is happening in the market, you can see I've drawn a symmetric pattern range here. So this trend line is acting as support, right? And this trend line was acting as resistance, and this trend line is a smaller resistance zone. So my expectation was market has a potential of, here you see the big sellers, right? The big selling pressure started here. Maybe the market will not trap them. That is what I feel. It can trap all these weak players up to this area, and from here when there is a reversal, maybe a bearish setup is possible, right? With that view only, I gave this setup some time back. Okay, so whoever made use of it, good. Those who want regular update like this, you can join our crypto community group. The link is there in the pinned comment in the chat section. The first comment what you see, that would be your this one. Dheeraj sir, what time you entered, at this breakout or when? Already 1300 points move. Now here, if some people are thinking of entering also, there is a chance that it might correct, remove them, clear up to this level, and from there it can reverse. That is why I'm not taking any bearish trade as of now. View is already bullish. From this only you would have got to know. View is bullish. That US market opening right now, it is giving us additional confidence. So whoever has tried to capture that moment, very good. Okay, if you have entered after the breakout, right? After this also, if you have entered, this is a nice move only, right sir? Close to 1000 points. So, okay, many people after this breakout you enter, when I say, maybe they would have waited for that. That's good only, no problem. Safe decision you would have taken. Also US market gap up, so entered. All right, cool. I shorted at 1,03,000 yesterday, but SL hit 1,03,000. Where is it? Yesterday, is it? Okay. Somewhere here you would have shorted 1,03,000. See, many times I keep telling, if a resistance level is tested many times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the chances of breaking that level also is high. You have to see how well the market is respecting that resistance. So here, one attempt, two attempt, and here from here only, if market falls, what will happen? Everybody will make profit, right? But let's say market gave a breakout here. After giving breakout, people confidence, oh okay, market is giving breakout and all at this zone, so I should not be thinking of bearish trade, I should think of bullish trade, they might think, right? There, when many people view as bullish, we can be thinking of reversal. That is how price action, stop loss hunting, all those things work. It all depends on how you make use of the update. Today Nifty Bank Nifty update I had given, right? So from this, I don't know where it went, but one bearish trade, one bullish trade, both we had identified. So for us, to a certain extent, market was easy only, even though it looks sideways. Now, will it test the trend line and rally again? This is my expectation. See, price action, how the market movement happens, it has to move like this. If it is moving like this, it is means it is removing all the weak people. Weak people removal zone can be up to this. I don't think market will try to trap these people as of now, but if it gives a breakout and something like that, any reversal up to this level is possible, right? Maybe around 50% correction, something like that. See, what would have happened is, at this zone, I told no, market can continue the trend. Only reason is because here everybody is thinking to be bearish. If everybody thinks about bearish, market goes bearish, means who will make profit? If big people want to make profit, they have to first confuse retail traders. That is why this momentum, short covering momentum, I had discussed in the group. So if I was available, definitely I would have taken this trade, but since I had other commitments, I did not take this. Whoever would have entered, they would have already captured nice movement. See, you guys who entered this zone, right? This zone, previous resistance. Here, when it comes, maximum get off your stop loss up to this zone. Okay, little below this trend line, or if you want to book your profit, also you book. It's all up to you because there's a nice moment. You would have captured it. So if you're happy with the profit, just book it here. Sometimes I tell you, sometimes if market wants to correct after giving a breakout here, instead of giving breakout here, here only it will correct. Okay, correction can happen in two zones. So your responsibility is to trail your stop loss so that maximum profit you take home. Exiting now, sir. At least instead of exiting, little stop loss you keep here or here and you trail it and see, no, little you can think about it. This candle is not yet closed. Let it close. Maybe it will go additional little more movement. Maybe you capture it and then exit. See, sometimes from here only it will reverse. I agree, but extra movement is possible, right? So try to capture it. Now, if you are happy, you think, okay, nice momentum I have captured. You are happy. You want to exit. You exit. Any chances of reversal? Now traders, this is what I have to see. At this resistance only, if market is respecting, then it can create flag pattern and give a breakout. Okay, I don't want that. Maybe if it gives a breakout here, then a correction. You are understanding, right? Two types of setup here. One is market respecting this resistance and turning this into a bullish flag pattern. Then continuation we will see. But what I want market to give off the breakout. After giving the breakout, I want it to reverse. If that happens, somewhere when market is showing some kind of bearish candle, I'll place stop loss here. Around 50% also risk reward will match. Based on that, I will take the trade. Can you explain on joining your club through Delta Exchange? I am interested. Nothing, sir. Very simple. There is a link right in the chat section. Open account with Delta Exchange using that link. After that, please complete one trade at least. Once that is done, you send a WhatsApp message to this number. My team will give you access. That's it. Dheeraj sir, think about it. If you want to trail your stop loss to maximum, you can do it. All right, at least up to this candle. Or if you think, okay, I will exit from here, you exit. Okay. Not just Dheeraj sir, whoever has entered the trade based on the update what I gave at 7.5, this moment is already come. So after capturing the moment, maximum you have to trail your stop loss, or at least if you are happy, book the profit. So from this breakout zone, if you have entered also 1200 points, it is not small, right? What and all is discussed in private group, sir? Any payment to be done for this? Sir, it is absolutely free of cost. You open account with Delta Exchange, complete your first trade, and then reach out to this number. They will give you access. Two things you will have access to. One is this group, right? Everywhere for free. We'll keep sharing setup, and also I will be sharing my strategy video. The strategy video on a 3 minutes time frame we can use. That's an indicator based strategy. So traders, as per my expectation, market is moving. So this is the resistance zone. Good, it is given a breakout. Not yet given a breakout. Hopefully it gives a breakout. Any bearish trade from this zone, it is good. But directly from this resistance only, if it corrects, it can turn into flag pattern also. After this continuous move, again no other stop loss hunting level at the bottom. So from here, if it creates a flag or if it consolidates, trend continuation possibility is there. Please take that also into consideration. Trailed SL, okay, cool. So if you have trailed SL, sir, already you would have captured more movement, right? This additional movement also you would have captured. Good, happy for you. Just like that, keep trailing and going. Okay, so when this converts to a breakout candle, then maybe by the time the candle closed, considering the exit is better, until then trailing the stop loss is better. You see, market is continuously being bullish, right? No bearish candle broke the previous low. In that case, you keep trailing and going. That is good for you only. So here you have got the breakout. Around 1 minute 30 seconds is left. So here, after all this breakout, whoever wants, keep trailing now. Within this candle only, you keep trailing. Yokesh Sundar sir, hope you did not exit. Sometime back I told, if you want, trail your stop loss and keep. So has the market decided to give a breakout here and correct? Maybe. This is the expectation. We will see. Another what? Another 50 seconds. Super momentum traders, really. As soon as I come live, see, I don't usually get tempted. When I come live only, I should have entered and all those things and all. If I enter, along with me, many people will enter. Here, this resistance zone was there, right? So that is why earlier only I gave up the update possibility of this. Now you also, by then you would have decided, okay, this is a reasonable trade. You would have, with small stop loss, you would have entered, or at this breakout you would have entered, right? Based on this, right? This was the expectation. Here, all this movement is complete. Now at the upper zone, any bearishness is what I'm expecting. Hopefully, if I get a bearish trade, I might consider it. But problem is how much bearish it will be. At least up to this zone will it come. If it comes, that's a good thing only for me. So we'll see. So I'll be a bit ready with my setup, bearish trade, but not yet taking. Why I'm taking bearish statements? This people removed. I somewhat feel this people can put pressure in the market here. So if they start putting pressure, maybe market can correct little more. I've not gone seen the news or US market open, all those things I've not seen. I'm just going based on price action and stop loss hunting, right? According to that, if I'm getting the setup, I'm going for it. Little bearishness I'm seeing. Hopefully from here only, if it continues, it is good. Still, you see, I've taken the trade without this candle breaking this low only, because that time if I enter my stop loss, how big it will be. Now at least some decent stop loss I can give for the trade. That is what I'm thinking about right now. My stop loss I will change. By then, at least one random stop loss I have to keep. So much big stop loss is not needed. If it comes and hits my stop loss, then continuation only will happen. So why I should give such a big stop loss? Only when it corrects, I will just change. I need to understand the market a bit, right? So that is why I've given this time. So you see, as of now, this people have been removed. This people have been removed. Now people's more concentration will be on the call option side. But people will think market is kind of bullish. But my expectation is this movement was just to hunt the stop loss. After that, at least a correction that we will capture later if market reverses, that is not in our hands, right? So that time maybe next opportunity. As of now, this movement was to remove weak players. Now market can correct. This opportunity I will try to capture, or else I'll give the stop loss and go. That's it. So rest of you guys who has taken call option trade, hopefully you have maybe trailed your stop loss or done something about it? Sir, please explain clearly when you enter, just for me to follow you. How much more? Now I have entered, right? So I have entered now. Why I have entered? Because I feel this people will put pressure again in the market. So at least market can correct. Maybe this much moment I might not get. If I get, it is added bonus. Okay. But market has removed all the weak players. From here a nice downside move is possible. So with that expectation, I've already entered in live only. I've taken the trade. Here you see, I'll tell you one more thing. I've given you this setup. I give you the setup as long as I am comfortable with it, right? Just random setups I don't share. Of course stop loss will hit, no one can be 100% right, but when I'm giving you this possibility, you think and see if it is as per your capacity, right? After this breakout, let's say you entered the trade, small stop loss, for that big movement you would have been able to capture, right? So you have to just go based on probability after me giving the setup. If the probability is sitting right, it is okay as per your capacity, then go ahead. If you think stop loss for the trade is too small, then too big, it is more than your capacity, then don't go for that setup. That's it. It is just that you have fear of losing money. If you have fear of losing money, you should not be there in the market. That is the honest truth. Now, for me, I have kept the stop loss. If stop loss goes also, it doesn't matter for me. I just go based on probability. As per probability, am I getting the setup? Yes. So my feeling is if my stop loss hit, market will make a bigger move. If it doesn't do, here only it can correct, right? I don't know, will it correct up to this zone? It will take support here. Whatever it is, I don't know. But as per stop loss hunting, price action, what the market is saying, as per what I understand, according to that, I just go. I have gone short now. Yeah, I've gone short. I've entered a bit early only, considering even though this red candle has not broken this previous candle. The main reason is because this one candle alone, you just think how much will be the stop loss for this. Around 500 points. Around 500 points, one candle below I cannot keep. Little higher I have to keep. That time it will go up to 800, 850 points. So 800, 850 points stop loss, am I ready to give? Actually, I am not. So that is why little early only I have entered. So for that, a kind of stop loss, what I thought is right, I have given. So here I'm getting 500 points. Of course, like I said, this is not the actual stop loss. Just because I have entered the trade, for every trade stop loss is important, right? So a stop loss I have placed here, but expectation is as the market keeps moving towards the downside, I will trail it, right? So that is what I have decided. I was down to $10, but will recover. I respect your opinion and methods much. Gradually, I am gaining confidence after losing over 600. $6,000? You lost around $6,000, sir? Okay. Uh, Kirtana madam, if you want to learn crypto, there is already a 30-35 minute basic video which I have done already on YouTube. Okay, that is there. You can watch that, and then you can open account with Delta Exchange using a referral link, and then complete your first trade. Like I said, the free video what I've put in on YouTube, right? If you watch that only, you will get to know all the basics. How to play stop loss, how to place target, what is the, since we are trading in dollars, what can be the risk reward, everything. If market moves by 100 points, how much stop loss we have to give, how much stop loss uh, we can consider, how much quantity we have to trade, everything I have discussed, right? So please watch that video, then open account with Delta Exchange using our referral link, then message my team to this number, and then we will give you access to this group where regularly we keep sharing setup. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, like I said, I was in Tirupati, right? I could not do the setup, but you will also get access to the strategy and things like that. And today also you see the setup I had discussed, this upside move. And later my expectation was after giving this upside move, market will correct. This logic only I'm using for this bearish trade right now. Market will give me profit or not, it is left to the market. I go based on my setup. Now slowly I will keep trailing my stop loss. Okay. Tirupati is your hometown. Okay. Harsha sir. If possible, please, we will meet. Sure, sir. Sure, sure. We will try. So along with me, whoever entered bearish trade, okay. So what we will do, we will reduce our stop loss. Okay. We'll keep it here. Because like I said, I wish market can correct up to this zone, but this trend line was acting as this one, right? What is it? Resistance. Once this level is broken, it can act as support. So that time little problem we can face. From here it can reverse. Hopefully whoever entered call option trade based on the setup what I gave you, I hope you are happy with the setup. What happened to Dheeraj sir? Dheeraj sir, your trade is done. Hopefully you have exited. When I take bearish trade only, I believe you would have understood that from here my expectation is, see traders, nice movement, right? Early on I entered, I gave a reasonable stop loss, then I corrected. So close to 900, 940, it will be close to 1000 points. See, when price action stop loss hunting works, it works great, right? That is why I ask you guys to learn this. Now I had told you, right, this trend line, now it can act as this one. So whoever wants to book profit and exit, please do. That's up to you, right? So nice correction has come. Problem is this continuous movement only. Will this convert to, flag pattern? That I don't know. So this trend line, if you have exited, well and good. See now how much confidence I have entering bearish trade here. I don't have so much confidence that this trend can continue. So this becomes 50-50%. Here it will do continue, retest and correct, or from here only it can move. But I have entered, I am in the safe zone. So I have nothing to worry. So I'm holding the trade. Okay. So over a period of time, even you guys regularly you keep following, you will understand. See around 62 people watching live stream, only 14 likes. Come on traders. At least I expect around 60 likes at least. After liking the video live stream, please mention your name in the comment section. I'll announce your name. Okay. Rohit Reddy sir, thank you. Thank you for liking the live stream. Mahesh sir, thank you. Target for this trade, I'm saying no, this was the first target. I sometime back I told this is the first target. After correcting, maybe this area can be the second target. But the way how market is moved, I don't know. It can convert to flag pattern and continue. We will see. We will leave it to the market. But by chance again, whoever not exited here, next time if market comes here, use please see if you want to exit. Okay. This breakout correction, see what would have happened. I'll tell you. Sometime back only I had told this breakout. Many people would have, I don't know why this is happening. This breakout, many people would have been interested in call. Nicely market trapped them, corrected, removed all the weak buyers who entered at this breakout or this breakout. After removing them, maybe the trend can continue. If trend can continue, what will happen? My stop loss will be hit. That is why I have 50% confidence after market reaching this level. But since early on I have entered, I'm just holding on to the trade. I'll leave it to the market to decide. But from here only, if you see, right, from the time I gave the update, 700 points move, right? So whoever would have captured, good. Hopefully next time, by chance, if market comes here also, if you book, it's a good thing only for you. No need to wait too much or continuation. Sir, while watching your trade, I took 0.5 quantity of $100, $105, and your investment around $55. Right now, it is more than $20 profit. Am I right? Is this the percentage of return? See, to take the trade, how much it costed? For me, 105. Okay. So around $30 we saw. So $30 of $100 means around 30%, right? Yeah, around 30%. Based the first trade, enter the second trade. Anup sir, okay. Hopefully, like I said, the second trade, like I'm saying, I'm not, this is the zone where if you want, you can book your profit. Market is giving one more chance. It can correct from here also, or after correction, it can continue also. I don't know. This I know. This I know. Here I know the probability, and this this probability I had more confidence. That is why in the crypto community group already this setup I have shared, right? So from the upper zone it will correct. I'm saying with that logic, that correction is happening, that I'm trying to capture. I don't know how much movement like this will I be able to capture or not, because this movement is market opening move. This movement I don't know. So that is why I'm saying, when if market reaches this zone or something like that, you want to book your profit, book it and exit. Don't wait for me. What is the minimum capital required? Even with 10,000 you can start, no problem. How much capital required I've discussed. Okay, how can I join that group, sir? Nothing, sir. Open account with Delta Exchange using our referral link. You have the number here, right? After opening account, the link is there in the description box, as well as it is there in the pinned comment. You can open anywhere. Once that is done, then reach out to my team at this number. They'll give you access to this group. Everything is free, traders. I don't want to charge anything for this crypto community, because crypto community is very new. So only people who are interested to join the crypto community, you want to be a part of this, and together we are learning every day through live videos and the updates what I share, or through the courses. Only those people who's interested, you join. If you already have an account, what to do? I don't know, sir. Really, this is the only option right now. Opening account with Delta Exchange seems like a pullback to for a long, sir. What is your view? Like I said, I was confident up to this move. This move I was confident. Removed all the weak players. From here, it can move also towards the upside. That possibility is there. That is why what I did after this correction, right? Around $30-40 profit we saw. If trend is continuing, okay, I'll hold on to the trade. Why should I keep my stop loss? What is here? If really market wants to remove weak players and then correct, why so much big stop loss? That is why I've given this stop loss. This is a strong bearish candle, right? If these sellers are strong, from here only let them push. That is why I've reduced the stop loss also for the trade. Hopefully you have got the clarity. Next upside move, after, if it's holding on to this range, later giving a breakout, something like that, we will see. As of now, I'm just keeping my view to market is kind of bearish to new sideways to bullish only. Okay, that is why too much stop loss I have not given. That is why I'm saying people at this zone, when the market comes also, you consider exit. here some people would have booked. Okay, good for you. If you have not booked, next when it comes here, around 80-90% of the profit you book off, and or at least trail off your stop loss, like that you can do. The problem, traders, that is what I'm saying repeatedly. Pole, this can be a flag, this can be a breakout. That is the problem. This trend line I said, right? Breakout, retest. Now if trend continues also, I'll end up in loss. That's why too much loss I'm not giving for this trade. I reduced it. So any other doubts anyone asked? Have I not responded? Happy with the profit, exited. Dheeraj sir, okay. Inverted head and shoulder pattern can be considered right. All these patterns are obeyed in BTC, my doubt. Inverse head and shoulder pattern. On what time frame are you seeing, sir? See here, if you had told, left shoulder, head, here if right shoulder is formed, maybe during the live I would have tried to capture this move. Or here also you can see left shoulder, head, this is the right shoulder, this breakout, after this trend continuation. So head and shoulder pattern I did not see and give the setup in the community group. This setup I gave purely based on stop loss hunting. Now when you say, okay, I can see, okay, this is a bullish head and shoulder pattern. But here mainly my expectation was stop loss hunting can happen towards the upside. That is why when this breaks, we would have looked for call. I don't know exactly which this one head and shoulder pattern you're talking about. So gone short. Took short at 1,05,000. So at this zone, okay. So from there, nice movement. Yes, in the market close to 900, 950 points. Now, like I said, it is bullish to sideways. Is it going to create a flag pattern? All those things I don't know. So I've kept my stop loss. If it hits, okay, fine. Almost there. Did my stop loss hit or not? I don't know. Did it hit? Stop loss is hit or not? I can see on my phone also. Stop loss is not hit. Okay. Sure, thank you. If possible, please, we will meet. Okay, that is done. Exited, entered bearish trade. Okay. So this is kind of showing some bullishness only up to this level. Okay. That extra push is like, it is kind of sideways to bullish only. We will see. Okay. How much capital is all those things. So I think Jai Prakash sir, thank you for liking the live stream. I missed your message. Ilan sir, thank you. Josel sir, thank you. Chandrakan sir, thank you for liking the live stream. Thank you everyone. Who has not liked the live stream, if you're making use of the content, then just drop a like, subscribe to the channel and mention your name. I'll announce your name in the comment section. Okay. Now this is kind of going to sideways to bullish only. So Now by chance, if market makes a momentum like this, still if I see for the risk that I have taken, short position, now for this risk which we have taken, this was a nice 1 is to 2, 1 is to 2.3, 1 is to 2.4 risk reward. That was a good one only. But previously, yes, my stop loss was higher and I managed to get it down, right? So that is there. Do you come on live daily? Yeah, I try my best to come daily live around 8 o'clock. Sir, is your analysis on Nifty continuous? I did not understand. Swing target, please. Swing trading in what you're trading, Setu sir? I'm not able to understand. See, here you can see no traders. This candle, everything is not able to break the low. That is the problem here. So what I will do, I will just switch to uh, buy trade. Okay. So I'll enter a buy trade here and my stop loss maybe I'll keep little lower here. This is going to be my last trade for the day because I have other plans. So I'll go here, place the stop loss. Now why am I taking the second trade is because for the first trade I've reduced this one stop loss, right? So I have little more buffer, little more amount. So in this case, market removed the weak players. Like I said, bullish flag pattern it can try. From here, if the movement continues continuously, green candles here, right? It's not able to break the low. So from here, if it continues, I will try to capture. If that is not possible, if market is again hitting my stop loss, without thinking too much, I will exit. Okay. If market, so expectation is, let's say here, I remove this. Here it will give a breakout. It will trap people. That moment I expected more. So whoever exited here, cool. But again, market is showing some bullish to sideways. So if this moment continues, maybe the market has a chance of reaching this target. If these people are strong, they should have pushed the market here only. From here only they should have pushed. They did not push. And continuously green candles are forming which is not able to break the previous low. Keeping all of this logic, I'm just going to be in live stream for another 15 minutes. So I'm going to try this setup right now. Okay. If it works out, cool. Or if it doesn't work out, maybe 1 hour will be done. Maybe after that I have to travel. So I will close the trade. Now, as of now, you see when market moved like this, right? When market moved like this, no other stop loss hunting level, right? All the stop loss hunting done. At this breakout, when market corrected, bullish traders, everybody's stop loss has been hunted. That also is done. Now, if again market is trying to move, then maybe trend continuation is possible, right? That is why I have planned this trade. If this trend continues, maybe I will capture. Maybe for this trade stop loss is small, but the stop loss I have kept only because the first trade around $30, whatever was the loss, I tried to reduce that loss, right? By reducing my stop loss. The additional another $15-20 I will have here, that I'm risking it here. That's all. Not any kind of rocket science. Here the stop loss also, if market hits whatever it is, then maybe I will close for the day. Okay, it has hit the stop loss. Is it forming a M pattern? Okay, anyways, I've given two stop losses. Whoever captured the moment, good. So right now, this seems to be the market range, and at this zone, only when it comes below this zone, right, we'll be looking for any kind of bearish trade. Okay, and only if it goes above this zone, breakout, retest, breakout, continuation, then we'll be looking for bullish trade. Like I said, if this is a flag pattern, it will keep trapping people. If that is the case, no need to enter any kind of trade here. Now, after hitting my stop loss, if the market continues, right, if it continues uh, from here, should I feel bad? No, because I'm not here to compete with the market. I'm not here to prove the market I am right. All I want to see is market is telling me something. I'll try to follow it. Based on that, will market support my move? That's all. That's how I look at the market. Here, this is how I was looking at the market. Did market support the move? Definitely. Here I said after giving breakout, market will correct. Did it correct? Yes. Nice, that 900 points move here. Now here I did not book. That's okay. 50% chance only I was telling here. Now since here I'm saying it is bullish to sideways. So at this zone, any bullish trade if we get, maybe after I close the live stream also, maybe we can try, right? We can try for it, no problem. Bearish trade we will see post this level. If it goes post this level, we will try. Maybe little small stop loss I would have given. That's why stop loss hit and then market is moving. Anyways, that's okay. So new to crypto, what is the best time to trade in crypto? Every time opportunities will be there. Since we are trading in the futures market, only the direction of the market we have to be okay with, right? Now here I was okay with the direction. So here even if it gives a target for you in 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, since you are trading in the futures market, why worry so much? Not required, right? So now see traders, it has come, taken this level, and it has potential, right, to continue. Why I'm saying it has potential is only reason is because the sellers who are here, they tried once. They pushed around 900 points. Market is correcting from here. If it continues, I will understand bearish trade. But after this flag pattern, market has broken this level again and it is showing continuation, means maybe throughout the day it can be bullish. Here or there it can correct. That's a different story. But today market can try to break this level. That's how it seems like. Are you still trading in Nifty? Of course, I'm trading in Nifty and Bank Nifty. That is my bread and butter. I can't leave it. Double top formed. See, double top is not formed. It it was trying to form and directly it has broken. So traders, like I said, this upper zone, this lower zone, maybe from here market can reach the next resistance area, which is this. So this is close to 600, 800 points. Later it can correct and then trend continuation can happen. So keep your view a bit of bullish as long as market is staying above this range. Keep your view bearish as long as market goes, only after market goes below this range. Here anyways it can correct and then make a momentum, that we are not sure right now. But till now market is bullish to sideways. Keep that in mind. For daily time frame target, I will not suggest anyone to trade in crypto on a daily time frame. The main reason is just see these candles. One candle is 400, 500 points, right? On a daily time frame, if you switch and see, each candle can be more than 1500, 2000 points. You think it's sensible to trade on a daily time frame and give 1000, 1500 points? Of course, if you capture movement, you will capture very big movement. But you can always trade with less quantity, right? So that is what you can do. As of now, I personally am not trading on a daily time frame. I want to keep my trades close to 3 hours, 4 hours. Within that, my trade has to complete. Usually if I'm doing option trading, I expect the movement within 1 hour, 1.5 hours max. But since we are trading in the futures market, maybe 3 hours, 4 hours also is fine. Anyways, we would have decided as stop loss and kept it. So I kept SL. So if your SL hit, can we try for buy side, sir? See, of course, my stop loss got hit. Maybe I kept a bit a smaller one. But like I say, market has potential to make a momentum towards the upside. If you're entering buy also, little stop loss here or safe trade, what you can do, okay, one attempt, little stop loss somewhere here, okay, look for call. From here market comes, it's stop loss. Later from here, if it is showing any bullishness, one more stop loss here, look for call. So two setups. Basically, we should not be worried to give the stop loss. Here if it corrects also, one more attempt here near this zone we can try. Okay, so for call option trade, that is my view. I hope the view is clear. What should be short term target for BTC swing? BTC swing, you can just this is the psychological level as of now. Short term, it can go up to 1,10,000 also. So traders, like I said earlier, view is bullish to sideways. So one attempt, you if you enter small stop loss, if market takes your stop loss, one more reversal setup you might get there, one stop loss entry. Okay, this is the setup which I'm thinking of right now. Since only because this live stream only 8 minutes more I'll be live. After that I have to have dinner, I have to go to hospital, all those commitments I have. That is why I'm not taking the next trade. Okay, but these two are the setups which I'm thinking of right now. Gaming beast seems like a pullback for long trade, sir. What is your view? Yeah, sir. The pullback was for long side view only. That is what when market came to this zone only I was saying, right? So long side move is possible. That is why second trade what I entered here, I should have kept a little more sensible stop loss. Maybe randomly I just thought and I put the stop loss. That's why. That's okay. I will not take all those things too personally. So now you guys have an opportunity. Whoever entered here, maybe at this zone, you cannot trail your stop loss here, okay? Because market can correct here, hit your stop loss, later move. So if you are entering stop loss, you are keeping here, you are enter the trade. Whatever movement is it happen, either let it hit your stop loss, or from this resistance if it continues, then you think about trailing stop loss. Not when it reaches this resistance, because resistance it will correct, later move. That possibility is there. So that time if your stop loss hits, you will feel bad, right? That is what it is. How much capital is required? I've repeated, sir. Around 10,000, 15,000 also you can start. Okay. Negative divergence on a 4-hour time frame. I don't see about divergence strategy. I don't use usually. Maybe I will, instead of divergence more, I will be looking at overbought, oversold. That also very rare, because for me, price action, stop loss hunting, and using trade psychology, based on this, whenever I take trade, I'm happy with whatever results I'm getting, right? The setup, whatever I shared in the group, is what? Based on stop loss hunting, trade psychology only. Many people hear what they will say, take a bearish trade, right? When double top is formed. But what did we do? We thought opposite, because when we capture the move, it is going to be a big one. Here this trade, okay, up to this trend line I had planned, market came to this trend line, maybe I should have exited. I just left it as it is for me, because I just wanted to, since I'm live, I just want to give that experience. But for many people I said, if you want to book, you book. or again if the market goes to that zone, you book. It did not go, but good thing we did, we trailed the stop loss, we reduced the stop loss. So like that, traders. Anyways, we are almost close to 1 hour. So expectation is whoever entered here, market can go to this resistance, it can correct. So don't trail your stop loss. If it corrects, then if you trail, your stop loss will be hit, right? So that is why don't trail your stop loss, or what you do, maximum book of your profit here. If it corrects, let it correct. Later when it gives a breakout setup, something like that, you look into call. Like that you can decide. Or let's say from here only market is correcting up to this zone. Previously this was resistance, this can act as support. From here any breakout setup, W pattern setup, small stop loss, look for call. Next market can go to beat this level and reach maybe 1,07,500 zone, right? Up to that zone it can go. When you have entered here, right, you can keep trailing, right? So we will be confident that this level will break, I mean if it corrects here, right? So from here, next momentum you keep trailing and try to capture. This is what I'm having as a view about the market. Market can be bullish to sideways, so look for opportunity related to that itself. That's my personal suggestion. What you want to do is completely up to you. Okay, hopefully traders, many people, I hope you captured this first move in the market. I could not trade because I was occupied. The second reversal setup also around 900 points move, whoever captured, good for you. And this, now I'm saying it can be bullish to sideways, it can correct here also. If it corrects after breaking this zone, any reversal, look for opportunity on the call side. Whoever has already entered, don't trail your stop loss, leave it as it is, because stop loss, I hope you have taken it as a reasonable one. So from here, if market goes towards the upside, gives a breakout, maybe you can think about exiting. Later if it is showing continuation, if you wish, that time you can trail, not at the current zone. Okay, so I hope my view about the market is clear. You got some clarity. Thank you everyone for participating in the live stream. Almost 1 hour done. I have to be somewhere. I need to travel close to 50-60 minutes. So if I am live stream, then things will be difficult. Okay. Thank you everyone for participating. Before I close the live stream, if you have made use of the content, share your support by liking the video, subscribing to the channel. If you want to join our crypto community group and get updates like this, then all you have to do is open account with Delta Exchange. It is there in the pinned comment. You can check it out. And also in the description box, you'll find the link. Please complete one trade, right? So without completing one trade, doesn't matter what is the quantity. If you are worried about basics of crypto, I've already made one video on YouTube, right? If you go watch that, you will get complete understanding of how to trade in crypto, right? If you want, in this video description or comment section only, let's say I will share that. Okay, I'll share that video and go. Whoever is new, just watch that video. Share video. Okay, so this is that video. Okay, this is that video. You guys go and watch. You'll get to know all the basics. Then you can take your first trade without any problem. Only after completing the first trade, reach out to this number, right? Many people with, I have opened the account, if you say without completing the first trade, then it is difficult for us. Again, back and forth communication has to go. That's why in the live only I'm saying, complete your first trade, then reach out to this number. Within 24 hours, we'll give you access. Okay. So hopefully you made use of the content. Thank you everyone for participating in the live stream. I thoroughly enjoyed. Happy to see this moment. Many people were able to capture this moment. I'm not sure how many people were able to capture. Were you waiting for me to exit or not? That's completely up to you. But hopefully to a certain extent we had a good day. Thank you for participating. I'll see you in the next video. Whoever has not watched the basic video, it is there in the pinned comment. Please see that. Okay. Thanks everyone. Bye bye. Good night. God bless you.